where we always hit each other. This is all fun.
Is Amanda still here? What? Oh, okay. Where is it?
I'm keeping it. I don't like that part. I don't do that part.
Chop scissors up and spill that drink.
See? Get out of here, Charles.
What are you seeing?
The drink was down on the floor and he almost spilt it.
What drink? I wasn't over there.
I know, but still, even on the floor is not safe.
Huh? It's better than being on a bed, making a mess on a bed. I don't know why I got up. Oh.
Go talk to Amanda.
This will be better.
This one's going on YouTube.
Why? Is it better? That's because we actually know the song.
What up, Jeff?
Trying to beat this level on Flow.
I'm gonna post a video to YouTube. You can go on and see it there.
Alright.
And then share it on Facebook and spread it all around the web.
Okay.
Put it on like Pornhub.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite website.
RedTube.
Pornhub is better, dude.
I don't use either of them anymore.
Oh yeah, because you have a vagina.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Last time I checked, I didn't. I peed standing up.
Well, you don't have a vagina yourself, but you have vagina
Oh.
at where you live.
Yeah. Don't you have a
I
stepmom?
did better than you.